Hi, this is Thomas Cornelius with the Office of Online Learning. In this short video, I'm going to give you a quick overview of how you can use your Winthrop account to log into Google services and to websites that allow you to use a pre-existing Google account to sign up and sign in. So the nice thing about your Winthrop email account is that it is hosted by Google, meaning that it can function exactly like an email that ends in @gmail.com typically would while on the internet. In order to use it this way, you simply need to use the domain @mailbox.winthrop.edu in order to trigger that authentication through Winthrop's website. So I'm going to show you that real quick. You'll see that I am on the Google homepage here, and I've already got my email address typed in with the domain @mailbox.winthrop.edu. When I click this next button, it takes me to Winthrop's login page, where I'll log in with that same information. And from there, I'll be redirected back to the Google page where I can access my email and any other Google services using the Winthrop provided email that you've got. So in this case, I can click on YouTube just to give you an example, and you'll see that in the top right-hand corner, I am still logged in as the exact same account. So this works for not just Google services, but any website that gives you the opportunity to log in with a Google account. So in this case, I'll be demoing Edpuzzle here. Now, I've already got an Edpuzzle account, but if I didn't, I could click this login button, select my role, and I'll be presented with this login screen. So you can log in with Edmodo, or you can log in with an email address and create a password uniquely for Edpuzzle. And if I were to go this route, I would have to type in my name, my email address, and other information that they would need in order to get me to sign up. If you use your Winthrop account to sign up, then you can bypass having to input all that information and having to remember a separate password specifically for this website. So if I click the Google button here, you'll see that I'm already going to be logged in because I just logged in previously. If you're not logged into a Google account in this session, then you would be able to access that exact same Google login screen that we started on to begin with. And that process works the exact same way. I would click the next button, I'd be redirected to log in via Winthrop's webpage, and I'm taken to an account that is logged in with that Google account without having to create a separate username, contact information, or remember a separate password. So this is a really easy way to make sure that you are a consistent identity across different web pages and tools that you're using and not have to remember so many passwords. And that's all there is to it.